What's up, everybody? How you feeling? Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of how I created a lead magnet for my YouTube channel. I'm going to be using Salesy and I'm going to be using SwipePages. So let's go. All right, the first thing I want to do is I got my description here for my YouTube channel. All right, so what I need to do right here is I'm going to be putting the link to my website SEO checklist, but I want to create it and use it as a lead magnet. So I need to create an email form that's going to be linkable to my YouTube description. So when anybody wants that SEO checklist, they sign up for my email list and then they get access to the SEO checklist. So I'm going to guide you through it. I might be on camera sometimes. I might not be on camera sometimes. So just stick with your boy. All right. So what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head on over to Salesy, which is my landing page program, which is right here. This is Salesy. Okay. All right. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and tell it what sections I want in my landing page. So this is my hero section. This is the HTML for my hero section. So I'm going to copy that HTML. I'm going to shrink it and I'm going to go paste it in my SwipePages form. Okay. So let me go to HTML. And let's go here, SwipePages, boom, HTML. All right, so now I'm going to paste the HTML right there. Then I'm going to hit save. All right. Now what I want to do is I want to preview, free download, church website SEO checklist, 7 simple steps to help more people find your ministry online. I like it. And then it says, get my free checklist. All right, cool. All right, so now what I need to do here is I probably want to put an image of the checklist. Okay, so we'll work on that a little bit later. So let's do all the rest of the sections. Let me go to section 2. All right, that's my store right there, my online store. Sorry about that. All right, so let me just go ahead and load everything up. All right, section 2. So we got section 1 done. All right, now we're going to go grab section 2, which ChatGPT helped me put together. So we're going to shrink this. And we're going to go back to SwipePages. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the section I have already, but then I'm going to select it. I'm going to overwrite the text that is there. Okay, the HTML that's there, and I'm going to paste the new one. So then I'm going to hit save. And let's go ahead and refresh our landing page and see how it looks. Grab free checklist. Okay, I got it. Grab the free checklist. Okay, good. So this is where we're going to be putting our sign up form. So I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let's go back over here. ChatGPT or ChatGPT or ChatGPT. All right. I was thinking of the Warriors, I guess. All right. Section 3. What's inside? So I'm going to go ahead and copy that code. And then we're going to go over here to our Salesy, our SwipePages. Let's see here. Where's it at? Boom. All right, boom. And then I'm going to copy what's there. Then I'm going to select that section. I'm going to overwrite the HTML that is there. And then I'm going to click save. All right, let's go ahead and refresh. See what we got. What's inside the checklist? Number 1. Okay, that's what I got in there. Okay, helpful content. All right, mission first. Yeah, this is everything that's in there. I really like it a lot. I really like it. Okay, so now what we need to do is go back over here and grab section 4, which is going to be who's it for. So we're going to copy that code. All right, and we're going to go back to, let me close this right here. And let me keep that open. I need to keep that open. Okay, so let's go. Let me see where we at here. Okay, boom. All right, so that's the GPT. I think I might have closed it. Yeah, I closed it. I accidentally closed it. Okay, let me go ahead and open it back up. But I'm going to open it up on the same page that I have my GPT, ChatGPT. Okay. All right, so I'm just loading it back up, family. Sorry about that. And we're going to go to funnels. And here we go. All right. So let's go to edit. All right. And let's go ahead and click preview. All right, so now we're on section 4. So I'm going to go here and we're going to duplicate and I'm going to overwrite what's there already. And we're going to click save. Okay. Then I'm going to click refresh. And let's see what we got. Section 4. Who's this for? Pastors Creative Media. I like it a lot. I like it, family. All right. It's coming together. Let's go with section 5 about Pastor Dre. Okay. Let's hit copy. Let's see what this comes up with. All right. We're going to overwrite what's there already. We're going to click save. And we're going to click refresh. I like it. Okay, so I'll probably put an image here. Meet Pastor Dre, 35 years in ministry, helping churches build their online presence through SEO, web design, and digital strategy. My goal is simple. Help your church be found when people search for hope. I like that. PastorDre.com, YouTube. I like it. So I just got to work on putting an image here. Now right here, notice you say you can't see Meet Pastor Dre. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT in section 5, I can't read the part that says Meet Pastor Dre. So it's probably going to fix it up for me. Nice catch again. Okay, so now it's recreating the HTML and it's giving me some text that I'll be able to see. All right, so we're going to go ahead and copy that. Go back to SwipePages and we're going to overwrite the text that's there. So I selected it all and then I just pasted new text. Hit save. And let's hit refresh. So now we should be able to see that part that says Meet Pastor Dre. Okay, great. All right, let's see. So we did section 5. Let's see what ChatGPT has next. I think it did like 8 sections, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, social proof. I like that. Bottom CTA. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the bottom CTA. Let's add that, override what's there, and then paste the new one. And hit save. And let's see what we come up with. Ready to reach more people online? Download the free church website SEO checklist and take the first step today. I really like that. It's probably going to link back up there like that. That's fire. Okay, so let's go back over here. And then we got a footer. So let's go ahead and copy that. So once again, I select that section. I copy it. Then I'm going to overwrite what's there by selecting everything and pasting the new HTML. And let's go ahead and hit refresh. Let's see. Pastor Dre, all rights reserved. Okay, I like that little footer on the bottom. I'm liking it. Okay, so let's see what we got next. Bonus page is a thank you page. Redirect after form submit. Yes, I do need to do that. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go back to the dashboard in SwipePages. First, I want to publish this funnel. So let's go ahead and publish it. I'm going to put it on my custom domain. So I'm going to put, let's see, HopePastorDre.com, Innovate.PastorDre.com. I'm trying to see which one I'm going to use here, family. Social. I kind of like social. I'm going to put social, and then I'm going to call it YouTube or lead. Let's call it checklist. Okay, boom. So that'll be our domain. That's this landing page is on. Okay, cool. All right. So let's go ahead and visit the page, see how we're looking. So now it's right there on its own domain. I like it. Fire. I like it a lot. Okay, I like it. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to close this. And we're going to go back here. Now I need to create the thank you page when someone's going to sign up for the form, for the list. It's going to take them to that page to say confirm your email. So that's the page I need. That's a thank you page. If you prefer instant access, let's see how this page looks. Okay, so we're going to do copy. And then I'm going to create another page. Call this confirm. This needs to be confirm email, actually. And we're going to call this, let's call it lead opt-in. And we're going to choose a blank. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit this page. Add a blank section. And we're going to do this section here. We're going to click plus. And we're going to do a HTML code. And I'm going to paste that code right in there. And let's see how our code is looking. So let's go ahead and hit preview. You're in. Your checklist is on its way. Check your email for the download link while you're here. Watch this free training. Okay, I like that. So this is the thank you page. We don't want that one yet. We need to confirm your email page. So before we work on this one, let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard. going to go to ChatGPT and say, that thank you page is fire. It's always good to reaffirm when you're working with GPT. That way it knows what you like. Can you give me a confirm your email page after they submit their details? Okay. So let's go ahead and move out the way. See if we get out the way here. Okay, let's go. The confirm your email page is the perfect next step in your funnel. All right, so this is going to be the code for my confirm your email. What this page does: visually confirm submission, instructs clearly, adds engagement, faith-friendly, and branded. Okay, let's go ahead and copy that. So now we need to come over here, add another page, and we're going to call this, let me see, let's call this thank you page. So we're going to call this, confirm, right? Let me see, I forgot the first one I did. Let me see. This is the confirm. So let's go ahead and replace that. So we're going to replace the HTML that's there. It's looking like this right now, but we're going to replace that. Okay, so I'm going to HTML code, select what's there, override it, and paste the new code. Okay, let's go ahead and hit refresh. I like it. One more step, confirm your email address. Okay, I like that. While you wait, watch this quick video while your church needs an online presence. I like that. Okay, so the only thing is we can't see confirm your email, so I need to let ChatGPT know. This page looks great, but you can't read confirm your email. It blends in with the background. So it's probably going to redo it and make it where it's readable. So let's go ahead and give it some time to print that out for us. Okay, cool. So I'm going to copy that code, and then we're going to replace what's there. Control A on PC and Control V. I'm not for sure what it is on a Mac. All right, so I saved it, and let's hit refresh. So now you should be able to see confirm your email address. Nice. Okay, so this is going to be our confirm page. So what I need to do now is go back to dashboard. And we got the home page. This is the actual landing page. Then we got the confirm your email. And now we need to do the thank you, your end page. So let's go ahead and add another page. And let's put thank you. I'll hit next. And we'll say thank you. And we'll do the blank page. All right, we're going to go ahead and edit this page. Now let's go grab that first code that ChatGPT gave us that we used, which is right here. I think, no, that's not it. I think it's this one. Let's see which one is it. Is it that one? Confirm your email, improve readability. I want the one that it gave us at first. The thank you page is fire. If not, I'll just have to ask it for it again. Thank you page. Okay, where's the thank you page? Thank you page. Okay, here it is. There we go. Thank you page. Boom. Okay. All right. So now we go here, and we're going to add a section. Click the plus, and we're going to go to HTML. Right there, and we're going to paste it in. Okay, and then we click save. And we're going to click refresh. Wrong page. Let's go ahead and click view, preview. Nice, you're in. Your checklist is on its way. Okay, cool. All right, so I think we got all the pages we need. We got the actual landing page of the link we're going to put into our YouTube description. And then we're going to put the form on. So let's go ahead and preview it. So this is going to be the form. Once they submit their emails, we should get the next page, which is this one here, which is to confirm your email. Then after that, once they confirm their email, we should get this one. Your checklist is on the way. All right, so we got all of our pages together, the foundations of the pages. Let's go ahead and close those up. Let's publish the funnel. I want to publish confirm and publish thank you. All right, cool. All right, looking good, fam, looking good. All right, so let's go to the home page. Now I think I need to add an image of the form. And what else do I need? And I need an image of myself. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the image of that form. What can I use? Let me see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come on over here. Let me see. This is what I have. This is the actual checklist right here. So what I'm thinking is I'll take a section of it. Maybe something like this. Take a screenshot. Let me see. Hold on. That's not going to work. Let me go ahead and present it. And then maybe I'll take a screenshot of this. Okay. So we'll take a screenshot just for now, just to get it going. I might change it later. We'll take a screenshot of that. All right. So that's the image that we're going to use to put right here. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to go to my website, PastorDre.com. And I need to upload this image so I can get a URL that I could paste in my landing page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go there. All right, so we're going to upload this image in our media section. All right, add media file, select files. And I just took a screenshot, so it's going to be in my screenshots area. It should be here. Let's see, screenshots. There it is. I think that's it right there. Okay. Let's go ahead and click refresh. It should show up. Okay, there it is. So now what I need to grab is I need to grab this HTML right here. The URL, I'm sorry. I need to grab that URL. All right. And then we're going to close this. And we're going to go back over here. And what we need to do now is we need to put that so the image shows up here. How do we do that? Well, you got to go to your code. You could ask ChatGPT to put it in, or you could do it yourself. So I'm going to see if I could do it myself. You guys got to look for the place that says your URL for your image. So let's see. See if I can find it. Right image mockup. Here we go. I think that's it right there. I think that's it, family. So I'm going to try it out. See if that's it. Hit publish. Hit refresh. Oh, we got it. Okay, cool. So there it is. I'll just use that for now. Okay. I like it, actually. I might keep it. All right. Then the next image we need is one for myself, which is here. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and just going to screenshot something from there. All right. So I'm going to slide this over here. Let's see. Where's my home? My home channel. Let's see. All right. Let me just load something up real quick. Okay. What's up, fam? It's your boy. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this image here. Just for now, probably just grab this one. Okay. So let's go ahead and screenshot that one. Just for now, I'll probably change it. Let's just grab that like that. Boom. All right. So there's a screenshot. We're going to do the same thing. Go over to our PastorDre.com, add media file, select files, and upload that image. Okay. Shouldn't take that long to upload. So let's see. Let's go ahead and refresh. And we should be able to get the URL for that image. Okay, there we go. So let's copy the URL. All right, let's go back over here to, let me see what section it is. It's the 1, 2, 3, 3 from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. All right. So then we should find out where we paste that URL. Let's see, youtube.com. Let's see. See if I can find the image. Okay, here we go. Image right there. There we go. Okay, so let's paste that URL of the image we want. We're going to click save. going to click publish. I think I put it in the right place. Let's go ahead and refresh. If I did, the image will show up. All right, that's cool for now. Probably make it a little smaller, you know. Let's see. Yeah, I'd probably make it a little smaller. But let's just leave it like that for now. All right, so now we got our home page. It's up and running. Good stuff. So now what we need to do is we need to link our Salesy form, which is my email platform, to this form right here. Okay, so I'm going to come over here into Salesy. All right, and I've created a new list. Okay, this is going to be my list, church website SEO checklist. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is we got to go ahead and put our default campaign defaults. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to get out the way here. The first thing you need, when somebody fills out your form, you need to send them an email. Okay. And in that email, well, let me explain it as I go. Okay. So the first thing here, this is the opt-in email. Okay. So when somebody fills out that form, they're going to get an email saying, hey, we understand that you would like to opt in to our email list. So that's going to go to their email. Not only do you get an email that's sent to them, you also get a page that pops up that says, please confirm your email. So you send them an email, and then you have a page that pops up that says confirm your email. So right now we're going to work on the confirmation email. Okay. The subject of that email is going to be, please confirm your subscription. Okay. And it's going to come from Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Okay. Sender name is going to be Pastor Dre. All right. So my email is PastorDre at PastorDre.com. Sender name is Pastor Dre. So we're going to go ahead and click save. All right. Now we're going to preview the email just to see what it says. Simple, doesn't have to be complicated. So let's see what the email says. We might make a few changes. Like I'm going to take this image out. I don't want that. I might put hello and then their name. So like hello and then their name. So you select your name variable. So it's going to say hello, whatever their name is. You are almost subscribed. Please push the button to confirm your email address. Okay, I like that. That's cool. There's the button. I'm going to change the color of that button. I'm going to make it orange. Okay, I like that better. And I'm going to double click the letters and I'm going to bold them. And let me see if I can make them a little bit bigger. Maybe go to 18. All right. That's it. You're almost subscribed. Please push the button to confirm your email address. They push the button. Good to go. All right. So let's click save. I mean, you can make it a little bit more fancier if you want. Add a picture and of yourself or however you want to do it. But I'm just going to keep it simple. Okay. Then we're going to click close. So that's going to be our opt-in email. So once anybody fills out this form, let me show you. Anybody fills out this form right here, they're going to put their name and their email. They're going to get an automatic email saying, hey, we understand you would like to subscribe to our email list. Click the button to confirm. At the same time, they're going to get a page that pops up that says, hey, don't forget to go confirm your email. Okay, and I'm going to show you that page right now, which is this page right here. It's going to be this one. Go confirm your email. Okay, boom, one more step. All right. All right, so now that we're there, let's see. Let me go back to Salesy. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to do our different pages. So the confirmation thank you page is going to be this one here. So I need to tell Salesy, hey, once they fill out this form, show this page that tells them to confirm their email, and I'm going to drop that right here. I'm sorry, right here on the sign up page. Okay, that's going to be right there. So let's go ahead and get that from Salesy. From SwipePages. That's my YouTube. Let's see, where's our SwipePages? Is this it? Nope. Where's SwipePages at? Boom. What's that? I could go ahead and close this. I think. Let me move it over here just in case I need it. All right. Let me see where we at. There we go. Okay. So now we need to get this page that says confirm. I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy the link address. Then I'm going to go over to Salesy, which is my email platform. Okay. And I'm going to drop that URL right here in the sign up page section. All right. And then we're going to go hit save. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the form and I'm going to go grab the thank you page URL. I'm going to copy that. Going to go back to Salesy. Okay, where's Salesy at? And we're going to drop that in the thank you confirmation thank you page. And we're going to click save. All right. So we're making progress, family. All right. So we got the opt-in email. We got the confirm your email page, right? The confirm your sign up page, and then the confirmation thank you page. Ready to roll. So now we need to put this form, we need to link this section to a form. We need to link this list to a form. And then we got to put that form inside the Salesy page. So we're going to go over here to tools. Is it tools? Let me see. Tools. Let me see. I think that's what I need. Tools. Yeah, tools and subscription forms. I'm going to call this form church website SEO checklist. That's what we're going to call the form. So the same title I gave the list, I'm going to give the form that title. So let me copy it. All right. And we're going to create a new form. And we're going to call it church website SEO checklist. And we're going to click create. Okay. So now this is the form that's going to have the name and email sections for them to fill out. So we've already got the email. So now I want to add name. So I'm going to click over here. And we want to add a new field, and we want it to be name. All right, and we're going to change the order. Put that at the top like that. I want this button to be orange. I just like the orange. It looks cool to me. So let's go ahead and go with orange. I'm going to type in join now or get your list or something like that. So let me find out where that text is at. Subscribe is too basic, so let's just put claim my download, something like that. Okay. And we're going to hit like that. Boom. All right. Let's see if we can make this text a little bit bigger. That's cool right there. All right. So I like that. Name, email, claim my download. Then we go to next. Okay. So now this is where it gets fancy. Let's see. Form name. All right. Save and continue. All right, so now we need to pick a list that we want this form. When somebody signs up on that form, what list will their email be added to? And we're going to go to the church website SEO checklist. Okay, save and exit. All right, so there we go. Now we're going to make it active. Now what I need to do, I'm going to go over to this little pin. Let me see, make sure the list. Yeah, we got the list. I'm going to go to this pin. I need to get the HTML. Okay, so I'm going to grab the HTML. All right, and I'm going to copy it. Then we're going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing now. This is cool. All right, so let's go here. All right, so I'm going to say, here is the HTML of my sign up form. Can you add this to the email sign up section? I think it's called email sign up section. Let me see what they called it. Opt-in form section. So I'm going to call it the opt-in form section. To the email opt-in form section. Make it look nice. Boom. All right, so now ChatGPT is going to take the code I just gave it for my sign up form and integrate that with the page and the form together to make it look real nice. Okay, so what that means is this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to preview the page for you. Preview it. Okay, so let me go ahead and go here. Now you can see this form here. So what ChatGPT is going to do is going to link that form to my Salesy form using the HTML that I just gave it. Okay, So let's see here. It says, what's up? What's up? Hold up a minute. Great call. Dropping your Salesy form in. I cleaned it up. All right. So now paste this to replace your current opt-in section. All right. Great. So it looks like it did everything for me. So I'm going to click copy code. And let's go over here to edit variant, which is editing the page. That's the wrong one. So let me go back. This is what I want right here. Edit variant. Okay. We want that one there. And we want the email opt-in, which is right here. Okay, so we're going to replace that. So I'm going to take the code that's there, delete it, and paste the new code and click save. And click publish. Now let's go ahead and let's close that. Let's close that. Let's close that. And let's view our page. Let's view it. Okay, nice. I don't like this form. I don't like it. So I'm going to say, can you put the name and email on the same row? And the text is too small. It's getting there though. It's plush. I like it, but I like it, but I don't like it. Okay, it looks cool, but can you put the name and email on the same line? And make the font bigger on the button. Okay. So let's see. Let's go. Here's your Salesy opt-in section updated exactly how you asked. Name, email side by side on one line. Big bold button that pops. All right. So let's copy that code and see what happens. So we go here. Okay. Let's get rid of the code that's there. Paste the new code. Hit save. Hit publish. And let's refresh. See how it looks. Now we talking, family. Now we talking. There it is. That's fire. And then claim my download is nice and big. All right. So ChatGPT probably gave me some suggestions. Let's see. Drop this right in your SwipePages HTML block. Everything will stay in your color palette and feel cohesive with your brand. Okay, cool. I like it. I like it. I'm thinking, should we put a border around it? Let's see. Let me see how it looks. I'm going to drop the claim my download underneath. Let's just see how it looks. That looks fire. Okay, then I'm going to say, here's what I recommend. Next, select this and confirm email. Got that. Thank you. Got that. Welcome email. Okay. One suggestion. Can we drop the submit button underneath the name and email and put a border on the form section? Let's see how it looks. We'll see how it looks. If not, then we just go back to the old one. But how it's looking now, it's decent. It's decent. It'll get the job done. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy that code. See how it looks. If not, we'll use the old code. Go ahead and paste it. Click save, publish, and let's click refresh. Ooh, that's fire. See, that's the cool thing about working with ChatGPT is you could try different things. So that's pretty cool. I like this one way better. That's fire. Okay, so now we got our landing page looking fire. I'm going to change this gap right here. I don't like that gap. So what I'm going to do is come over here to my SwipePages and slide this up to about 30. Okay. Let's go with 30. Click save. Publish. Let's hit refresh. It should take some of that gap out. Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's fire, family. Okay, done. All right, so here's the HTML. Here's the URL that we want to put in our YouTube description. Okay. So what does it say? Download here. You put the URL right there. Your description is too long, by 30 characters. Okay, so I got to take something out. Hey there, I'm Pastor Dre, and I help churches, pastors, and media teams grow their online presence through SEO and digital strategy. Before you post another sermon or event, let's make sure your church can actually be found online. Okay, I like that. Grab your free copy of the church website SEO checklist. Download here. Okay, we need that. Inside, you'll learn. Okay, I like that. This isn't tech talk. It's ministry strategy. Every click could be a soul reached. Okay, let's take that out. We'll just go with every click could be a soul reached. Let's see if that's enough. That's good. Okay, publish. All right, so there's our custom. So there's our custom text for our custom. That's going to be our default text for every video description. So let's go ahead and test this URL. I'm going to go ahead and visit it. See what we get. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and test our form. So I'm going to type in Pastor Dre, and I'm going to type in my email. Let's go with info@gospelswag.net and click claim my download. To receive messages, please confirm that you're human. Yes. Okay. One more step, confirm your email address. Perfect. Go to your email and click confirm. All right, and I got to add a little video there. So let me go log into my email real quick, family, to see if that email came through. So just give me a second. I used info@gospelswag.net. I think it was. Okay, so let's see here. There it is, family. Pastor Dre, please confirm your subscription. Nice. All right, so I should get that email. Hello, Pastor Dre. You're almost subscribed. So when I click confirm subscription, it should take me to that page that says your checklist is on the way. There it is. Nice. That's worked. It worked. Okay, we got to get rid of this gap here. And let me see, your checklist is on the way. So now I need to put an automated email that has the link to the actual checklist. Or I could put it right here in this form, which I think I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on this page, and then I'll put it in an automated email. So let's go back. But it's working. You can see the funnel's working. All right, so let's go to our SwipePages. Let's see, SwipePages. Let's close that. Let's close that. And let's go back to the thank you page. We're going to change that gap first, okay? So let's go here to edit variant. And we're going to change the gap here. Let's go with 30 like the other one. Bring it up a little bit. Boom. Okay, click save and publish. So now I have my checklist. This is my checklist right here. Okay. This is my checklist right here. So I need to download this checklist as a PDF. Okay, as a PDF. Okay. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and open it up. Nice. That's nice. It's a very good checklist, too. It's a very good checklist, family. Very good. All right, I like it. All right, so now we need to upload this checklist to our website. Okay, so we can get a link, just like we did the images. So let's go to my website. Where's my website at? Boom, boom, boom. Let's close that. Let's close that. Okay. See if I can find my website. I might have closed it. Let me see. Yeah, I think I closed it. Okay, so I got to open it back up. So let's go there. Let's go to here. Okay. So go to my website. And we're going to upload that checklist to media. And you go to add media file. Okay, select files. And go to downloads. And there it is, right there. So we're going to call this church website SEO checklist YouTube. YouTube, and then we're going to double click. So this is going to upload the PDF file to our website so we can have a link where people can actually download the checklist. All right, so we're going to go ahead and refresh. Should be there. There's the checklist. Boom. Grab the URL. Boom. And we're going to go ahead and close it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the URL in the Your In page and then also in the first email of automation. So let's go back to SwipePages. And we're going to go to the page that says thank you, because they've already confirmed their email. So we're going to put it in this thank you page. Let's see how we're going to do it. Okay. All right, let me get this. Let me get a sticky note, and I'm going to put this URL in there in case I need it. So that's the URL to the PDF. All right, so what I'm going to tell ChatGPT is, can you add this URL to the thank you page, letting subscribers know they can download the checklist immediately by clicking this link. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. Okay, what response do I like? All right, so it's going to create the HTML to let the subscriber know that, hey, you could also download the checklist right here on this page. Okay. In the meantime, let me see how this page looks again. Your checklist is on its way. Check your email for the download link. While you're here, watch this free training. I kind of like having them check their email, but let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, that's right. Okay, so okay, looks like it's not registering yet. So let me hit refresh. I'm trying to think if I should just not put the download link. I don't know. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, I prefer this response. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's see what they come up with. All right, so I'm gonna dub it just in case I want to keep the one on the top. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna put the new one here and click publish, just in case I want to keep the one on the top. Let's see how it looks. That's the top one. This is the new one. You're in. Your checklist is ready. Oh, I like that. Thank you for signing up. Your church website SEO checklist is ready to download right now. Click the button below to grab it instantly and start optimizing your church website today. I like it. While you're here, watch this quick video. Ooh, I like that better. And then we'll put the link. Click there. There's your checklist. Oh, that's fire. Okay. I'm thinking what we could do, family, is, let me see. We could put here, we've also sent you an email with a download link. Let me tell ChatGPT that. So this is fire. Can you also add, we have also sent you an email with the download link. Let's go. You're building a pro level experience now. Instant access and inbox confirmation. That combo builds trust and keeps your new subscribers engaged right from the start. Okay. Okay, so good. So we're going to do it like that. So we'll hit copy. And we're going to go here. And we're going to let's do this one first. And we're going to paste it there. Click publish. Let's hit refresh. Okay, boom, your checklist is ready. Thank you for signing up. It's ready to download right now. Click the button below to grab it instantly and start optimizing your church website today. We've also sent you an email with the download link so you can access it anytime. If you don't see it soon, check your spam or promotions folder. Love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and adjust this. I don't like that. Hold up a minute, so I'm going to take that out. Where's it at? Hold up a minute. Hold up a minute. There it is. So let's just go with thank you. So I'm just going to put thank you. All right. And then we click save, publish. Let's hit refresh. Now we should say thank you. Okay, so we could take this top one out because we like this one. All right, so let's go ahead and delete this. Boom. Take this whole section out. Okay, so let's see what we got on this page. Your checklist is ready. I like it. Okay, so let's take that gap out at the top. Wait, that gap is, why is there a gap at the top like that? But anyways, we'll just leave it like that for now. All right, family, so now, let's see here. It looks like we're almost done. Looks like we're almost done. I just got to create the first automated email, then we should be done. So this is my default description, view channel. So this will be added to any videos that I upload from now on. No, I want to add this. This is not the right spot. I need to copy this. This is actually my channel description. So I need to go to defaults, customization. I need to go to defaults. Let's see, dashboard. How do I get to defaults? I forgot. Let me see. Your channel. What's up? What's up? Let's go to defaults. Okay, let's see. View your channel. YouTube Studio. Oh, there it is. I think I just seen it. Let me go back. Okay. Customize. What's up? What's up, fam? Customize channel. Okay, and then let's see. Description. That's good. But where's the defaults? Home tab. There's like a default section. Customization. No. Content. I'll find it, family. Just bear with me. I could always ask ChatGPT. Let me see. Or let me ask Google. How do I change the default upload in YouTube? From the left, select settings, upload defaults. Okay, so I gotta go to settings. Where's settings? Let's go to your, what does it say? Sign into YouTube Studio. From the left menu, settings. Okay, YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Okay. Settings. I don't see settings, do you? Let's see, content, analytics, concerts, profile, community, languages, copyright, earn, customization. Unless this is in the way. Oh, there it is. I couldn't see it because this thing was in the way right here. All right. Upload defaults and description. So we want to put that in there. So now, this is my YouTube video default description. There we go. And we click save. All right, cool. All right, now we just got to create an email in Salesy and we should be good to go, family. So let's go to Salesy, go to automation. And, well, no, let's go to create email. Old version. So I'm going to ChatGPT, right? So let's close YouTube because I think we're done with that for now. Go over here. Okay, ChatGPT. Can you write the first email of our automation, including the link to the SEO checklist? Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to write the first email. So now I'm going to go back to Salesy while it's writing the email. Okay. All right. Let's go here. Let me try it again. Let's go to dashboard. Oh, I logged out. All right. So we're just going to create an email, first automated email, and then we should be able to wrap it up. If you have any questions, family, drop it in the comment section. I would love to assist where I can. All right. So campaign emails. Okay. And we want to create a brand new email. So we want to create a campaign, stay in the old version. All right. We want to start from scratch. Okay. All right. So let's see what ChatGPT gave us. Subject lines, your church website SEO checklist. It's here. I like that. So that's going to be the subject line. Let's go with title. I'm going to paste that there. And then let's go with paragraph underneath. See what ChatGPT came up with. Hey there. Welcome to the family. I'm Pastor Dre. I'm so excited you decided to grab the church website SEO checklist. This simple PDF will walk you through 7 easy steps to help your church rank higher on Google, reach more people, and grow your digital impact, even if you're not super technical. Download your checklist here. Boom. Once you've downloaded it, here's what I would love for you to do next. Print or save it so your media or creative team can use it as a guide. Watch for tomorrow's email. I'll share 3 top SEO mistakes I see churches making and how to fix them. Reply to this email and let me know your church name. I'd love to see how you're spreading the gospel online. Remember this, you're not just learning SEO, you're using digital tools to reach souls. Every click could be a connection. Every search could be a soul. Let's build your online presence together. Blessings, Pastor Dre, helping churches grow online. I like that. Wow, that's nice. All right, cool. That's pretty good. All right, so let's go there. Boom. Go back to Salesy. And let's paste that. So, hey, name here. So let's put my actual Salesy name variant. So we go here and you click merge tags and you put name. So it's going to say, hey, name. Let's take out hold up a minute. We don't need that. Welcome. Okay. So now I got to put another email together on 3 SEO mistakes, which we could, that's cool. I like that. All right. So let's hit save. Let's hit continue. Okay. Subject. Once again, we're going to call it the subject that we put in the email, which is your church website SEO checklist is here. So let's put that there. Boom. Okay. From Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Sender name, Pastor Dre. I like that. Let me get out the way over here and click continue. All right. SEO checklist. Boom. Continue. All right. So it's actually made a campaign. Okay, cool. So I'm going to put save and quit. So now I'm going to add this email to an automation. And then we should be able to wrap it up. So let's go to automations, which is here. Active automation. So we got to create a new automation. So we're going to create chain from scratch. When someone is added to a list, we want that to be our church website SEO checklist. So when someone's added to that list, we want to send them an email. So action, send email. All right, now let's go grab the email that we just made. Right here. Hit choose. There it is. Okay. Subject. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. From email, we want Pastor Dre, PastorDre.com. Sender name. Subject. We want that subject. Your church website SEO checklist is here. No delay. Add that block. And then a result is success. Okay, let's call this success. Okay, boom. All right. And we're going to click save. Or we've got to give it a name. So let's call it checklist is here. All right, click activate. So now when anybody signs up to our list from our landing page, they go through the whole funnel. Once they confirm, they're going to get this email. So we put it to the test. Let's do it. Let's try it again. So we're going to go ahead and close this. Right? I think did I deactivate it? No, it's active. Okay, cool. All right, so we're going to shrink this. Let's put it to the test, family. All right, so we're going to go here and we're going to view our landing page. We're going to sign up and we're going to see if we get an email. Okay, so let's go ahead and view published page. All right, so this say I clicked from the YouTube description. This is cool. This is fire. Let's put my name, Pastor Dre. And let's do info@gospeldjdrops.com. Okay, claim my download. Yes, I'm not a robot. Okay, confirm your email address. So let me go ahead and open it up. 1 second, family. See if it works. We're going to put it to the test. info@gospeldjdrops.com. So I should be having something. info@gospeldjdrops.com. Please confirm your subscription. Confirm your subscription. Your checklist is ready. You're in. Download the checklist. Boom. So I should see the checklist. Nice. All right. Good. And I should also get another email of the automation. Your church website SEO checklist. It's here. There it is, family. There it is. And if I click there, it should download the SEO checklist. All right, family. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I would love to assist where I can. If you want to create a funnel for your church, business, or ministry, this is a powerful way to get emails and grow your email list and keep in touch with people that are connected with you on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, because you could put this link to your landing page anywhere in your social media. And it's very effective to keep in touch with people. So like I said, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If this video has given you any value, do me a favor. Make sure you like, share, follow, subscribe, however you want to do it. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.